Hi children, I hope you're doing well. So in this video we will be discussing how to evaluate the sum of cubes. Like as you can see, x cube plus y cube is what we have to search, provided x plus y is equal to 10 and xy equals to 7. Well, you can understand this better by means of the cube formula. All right, so let me take you a little behind once again to understand better. So we know that a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b is equal to a plus b whole cube. All right, so a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by the sum of a plus b. All right, since we have to make a cube plus b cube as the subject, so therefore a cube plus b cube will be equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. So this will be transposed to the right hand side and this will attain a negative sign on the other side. So in the above case we have to find x cube, so plus y cube. So let's write down here x cube plus y cube. Okay, this is my solution, is equal to x plus y whole cube minus 3xy x plus y. All right, so it is following the same principle as we have it here in the second line. They have already given us the value of x plus y, so it's 10. So let's cube it. Then we have the value of xy, it is 7, and this is again 10. This is equal to 1000, 3 zeros, 10 into 10 into 10, and this is 3 into 7 is 21, and then 10 here. We write 1000 minus 210, which is equal to 790. How? 1000 and 210. So we get 0, 0, 0, and this becomes 10, 1, 9, 9 to 7. All right. So I hope you have understood, and this is the formula that you will be using whenever you get a sum. Okay, like this. All right. Bye-bye, kids. Hope you all have understood, and if you like it, please do share, subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a good day.